ജപനിലം.
Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope everyone is fine. Today we are going to learn a new lesson from 4th class. From 4th class today we are going to learn a new lesson. So before starting the lesson, what do you call a person who treats you? जो हमको इलाज करता है. Whenever you have fever, who will treat you? Yes, a doctor. जो हमारा इलाज करता है उसे हम डॉक्टर कहते हैं. जो आपको पढ़ाते हैं उसको क्या कहते हैं? द वन हु टीचर्स यू, वी कॉल देम एज टीचर, शिक्षक. उसी तरह जो भी कारपेंट्री का वर्क करता है, द वन हु विल मेक वुडन थिंग्स, वी कॉल हिम एज बढ़ई. इसी तरह जो भी चित्र बनाता है उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? चित्रकार. जो चित्र बनाता है उसे हम चित्रकार कहते हैं. तो यहाँ पर चित्रकार कैसा है? बहुत चतुर है. हमने पिछले पार्ट में भी गोनू झा की चतुराई के बारे में सीखा है और आज भी यहाँ पर चित्रकार कितना चतुर है. हाउ क्लेवर इज़ द पेंटर, वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट हिज cleverness. So just we'll have a small look on the poem. While teaching the poem, I'll be telling you the meaning also. चित्रकार सुनसान जगह में बना रहा था चित्र, इतने में ही वहाँ आ गया यमराज का मित्र. उसे देखकर चित्रकार के तुरंत उड़ गए होश, नदी पहाड़ पेड़ पत्तों का रहना गया कुछ जोश. फिर उसको कुछ हिम्मत आई, देख उसे चुपचाप, बोला सुंदर चित्र बना दूं, बैठ जाइए आप. सो इफ यू वांट टू ड्रॉ समथिंग वी नीड सम कंसंट्रेशन. If you look here and there, or if any disturbances are there around you, you can't draw anything or you can't write anything and you can't listen anything. So here चित्रकार he wanted to draw some pictures. So what did he do? उसने सुनसान जगह में, he sat in a lonely area and he started drawing something. He wanted to draw some pictures. So what happened? He started drawing, but immediately what happened? इतने में ही वहाँ आ गया. There a lion came. यमराज का मित्र, यमराज, the friend of यमराज. It can attack on you and it can kill you. So there a lion came when he started drawing. उसे देखकर चित्रकार के, चित्रकार means what? Painter. So by looking at the lion, do you feel scared of lion if you see suddenly? Yes. In the same way चित्रकार also he felt so scared. तुरंत उड़ गए होश. He lost his senses. Now he is feeling so scared by looking at the lion. नदी पहाड़ पेड़ पत्तों का रहना गया कुछ जोश. Now see, everything started, everything stopped suddenly. He was in a shock. Oh, what I have to do now? Suddenly I saw a lion. Now what it is going to do? Maybe it will attack me. So like this, the Chitrakar, he lost his senses and he was in a very big shock, and all the surroundings, they are looking like everything is being stopped. They are stopped like that. फिर उसको कुछ हिम्मत आई, देख उसे चुपचाप. चुपचाप यानी कि साइलेंट. If nothing is there in the room, we can see it is very silent. So when the lion was very silent, now Chitrakar got some courage. Maya, now I can be very happy. Okay, it is not doing anything, it is very silent. Then immediately what did he do? बोला सुंदर चित्र बना दूं, बैठ जाइए आप. Then he told to lion, यमराज के मित्र शेर जी, आप ज़रा बैठ जाइए, प्लीज़ सिट डाउन, आई विल मेक अ ब्यूटिफुल पिक्चर ऑफ यू. इफ़ यू प्लीज़ सिट एट वन प्लेस, आई कैन ड्रॉ योर पिक्चर ब्यूटिफुली. सो उकरू मुकरू बैठ गया वह, सारे अंग बटोर, बड़े ध्यान से लगा देखने चित्रकार की ओर. So when the painter said, when the chitrakar said like this, I don't know what it understood, just it adjusted and sare ang bator, by keeping all the legs and hands together, it sat very nicely. It was sitting in front of the chitrakar and it is helping chitrakar to draw the picture. So then what happened? चित्रकार ने कहा हो गया आगे का तैयार. After drawing, after just standing for some time, after drawing some time, he said to the lion, चित्रकार ने कहा हो गया आगे का तैयार. महाराज, आगे का जो चित्र है, फ्रंट साइड पिक्चर, I finished drawing it. Now, अब मुँह आप उधर तो करिए, आप अब मुंह उधर करिए, आप जस्ट टर्न लाइक दिस, टर्न बैक. जंगल के सरदार, whom we call शेर, it is the king of the forest. So चित्रकार said, महाराज आप ज़रा उधर कीजिए, turn your face that side and I will draw your back side picture also. Then what happened? The lion, it turned back. You can see here, it turned back. It turned back and it sat nicely so that he can draw the backside picture also. बहुत देर तक आंखें मूंद कर, पीठ घुमाकर शेर, बैठे बैठे लगा सोचने, इतना हुई क्यों देर. So it turned back and it started thinking. It sat like that for a long time. But now Chitrakar is not saying anything. So now the शेर is thinking, अरे क्यों इतनी देर हुई? Why it is so late? Why he didn't complete the picture yet? So झील किनारे नाव लगी थी, एक रहा था बांस, चित्रकार ने नाव पकड़कर ली जी भर के सांस. So he did a very clever thing here. When the lion turned back, slowly the Chitrakar escaped from there. How he went off from there? झील किनारे, there was a small boat, एक रखा था भांस. There was a small boat near the झील. So he took that boat and he sat on that, and what did he do? जी भर के सांस. He took the complete breath. He took deep breath. Hammaya. Okay, now I can escape from the lion. I can escape from the lion so that it won't attack me. So उसने क्या किया? नाव पकड़कर ली जी भर के सांस. उसने अच्छा सा सांस ले ली. जल्दी जल्दी नाव चलाकर निकल गया वह दूर. उसने क्या किया? जल्दी जल्दी नाव चलाकर, he rowed the boat very fast and he left so far. He reached so far. And now what happened? इधर शेर था धोखा खाकर झुंझलाहट में चूर. झुंझलाहट means annoyance. What is the meaning of झुंझलाहट? Annoyance. Because it just turned back and it understood, lion understood that Chitrakar has ran away from there. He escaped from there. Now, how do you feel if anyone cheats you? You feel so bad. You get so angry. So here, Sher also, after getting cheated, after cheated by the Chitrakar, it was so angry. And what it said? शेर बहुत खिसिया कर बोला, नाव जरा ले रोक, कलम और कागज तो ले जा रे, कायर डरपोक. What the शेर said? उसने बहुत ही गुस्से में कहा, नाव ले रोक, प्लीज स्टॉप दैट बोट. कलम और कागज तो ले जा. What did he do? He asked the lion to turn back, but to draw he brought some papers and pen. He left there itself. So what the lion was saying? Just take your paper and pen. Kayer darpok. Kayer means a coward who is very coward. He was so scared. Without saying anything, silently he escaped from there. So he said, Le Kayer, just take your paper and pen and go. You coward, he said. Who said all this? Sher. चित्रकार ने कहा तुरंत ही, रखिए अपने पास चित्रकला का आप कीजिए जंगल में अभ्यास. Then what he said? He left so far already. So now he was saying so loudly to the sher. Turant hi, turant. What is the meaning of turant? Immediately. What is the meaning of turant? Immediately. He said, Chitrakar said to the lion, rakhiye apne paas. You keep that paper and pen with you. I don't want. I am leaving from here. Chitrkala ka aap kijiye. Chitrkala means art of painting. See, everyone, they can't draw. Everyone can't sing. Everyone can't dance. Everyone has got their own talent. So here he is saying, Chitrakar, he is saying to the lion, please, you do the abhyas. Abhyas means paint, practice. So, Chitrakar, he is saying to the lion, rakh lijiye aapke paas. You keep the paper and pen with you and you practice the painting by sitting in the jungle. By sitting in the forest, you can practice how to draw the pictures. So, in this way, he just said to the lion and he left from there. He ran from there and he escaped from the lion in a very clever manner. I hope you all understood and we have learned some meanings. Sunsan Jagah means a lonely area where you can't see a person. Chitrakar means painter. Himmat यानी कि courage. Dhyan यानी कि concentration. With a great concentration, Sher sat there and it helped to the Chitrakar in drawing the picture. Jangal ke Sardar. Jangal ke Sardar means king of the forest. And what is the next meaning? Jhunjlahat यानी कि annoyance. Kagaz यानी कि paper. Kayer means coward. Turant यानी कि immediately. Abhyas means practice. And what is the meaning of Chitrakala? Art of painting. Now, if you go through the grammar points, what are the grammar points here? Just if you observe the words at the last. See here, you can see Chitra. And what is the next line, last word? Mitra. Chitra, Mitra. Chitra, Mitra. You can see here both the words, they sound like same. Chi, mi. Both the letters have the same matra. Tra, tra. No matra here, but both are pronouncing like same. Chitra, mitra. जो बोलने में एक जैसे होते हैं उनको हम समान तुक वाले शब्द या समान लय वाले शब्द कहते हैं. We call in English as rhyming words. You will be understanding better if I say it as rhyming words. So, saman tuk wale shabd we say as rhyming words in English. Chitra, mitra. Now, if you see the next two lines, hosh, josh. Can you say them as rhyming words? Yes. So, hosh, josh. So, in the same way, can you identify any other words? Here you have. Can you say aap? Yes, aap rhyming word is chupchap. Aap, chupchap. Or, bator. Tayyar, sardar. All these words are rhyming words. Saman tuk wale shabd ya saman lay wale shabd which pronounce like same. Sher, der. Baans, saans. Dur, चूर, रोक, डरपोक, पास, अभ्यास. So, in this way, in the poem itself, not only the poem part, you have some rhyming words also. Saman lay wale shabd. And another one is, we have here ling. What is that another one? Ling. Ling means gender. You have in English as gender. What are the different types? Already we have learnt in our third class. What is that? What is the meaning of ling? Or can you say how many types of ling will be there? Yes. So ling. Ling means we say as gender. Ling means what? Gender. Gender we have as two types. How many types we have, Nana? Two types. लिंग के दो भेद होते हैं. कितने भेद हैं? दो भेद हैं. भेद यानी कि टाइप्स. ओके, टू टाइप्स. व्हाट आर दोज? फर्स्ट वन इज पुल्लिंग. कौन सा है पहला? पुल्लिंग. एंड अनदर वन इज स्त्रीलिंग. दूसरा क्या है? स्त्रीलिंग. पुल्लिंग और स्त्रीलिंग. सो व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय पुल्लिंग? पुल्लिंग यानी कि जो शब्द पुरुष जाति के बारे में जिस शब्द से हम पुल्लिंग का पता चलता है उसे हम पुल्लिंग कहते हैं. इफ यू रीड सम वर्ड you can understand that it is related to the pulling. Okay, so जिस शब्द से पुरुष का बोध हो तो उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? पुल्लिंग कहते हैं. जो शब्द पुरुष जाति के बारे में बोलता है उसे हम पुल्लिंग कहते हैं. देन स्त्रीलिंग. स्त्रीलिंग किसे कहते हैं? जिस शब्द से स्त्री का बोध होता है. जिस शब्द से स्त्री का बोध होता है. ओके, दैट मीन्स I said Anusha. Can you say what is Anusha? Anusha is the name of a girl. That means by saying the word you are able to find out that it is the girl. So Anusha. Anusha शब्द क्या है? स्त्री शब्द है. तो हम क्या कहते हैं? अनुषा स्त्रीलिंग है. मैंने कहा अरुण. Arun is name of a boy. So by saying the word itself directly we can say that it is a pulling. अगर मैंने कहा लड़का, लड़का means boy. That means the word itself is saying that it is related to the pulling. तो हम कहते हैं लड़का. और लड़की को क्या कहते? लड़की स्त्रीलिंग शब्द है. लड़की स्त्रीलिंग शब्द है. इस तरह हम देख सकते हैं कि हमें कुछ यहाँ पर लिंग दिए गए हैं. आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं पुल्लिंग और स्त्रीलिंग. अनेक शब्द दिए गए हैं. एवरी वर्ड हैज़ गॉट टू टाइप्स ऑफ लिंग, पुल्लिंग एंड स्त्रीलिंग. So in this way we can learn all these words and you can learn ling better. Okay children, I hope you all understood the lesson today, and along with the lesson we have learned some meanings and we have learned some ling also, and we have learned even saman tuk wale shabd ya tukant shabd. What are those? Rhyming words. Children, please go through your textbook and learn all the lesson and grammar part what I have explained you. Okay, thank you.